Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook chicken chukka. So I have got 1 lb of chicken pieces here. So let's get started. So first let's prepare the masala. So I have got 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of whole pepper, small cinnamon stick and 2 cloves and 3 red chilies. So let's dry roast all these ingredients. So taking a frying pan, turn on the heat, just wait until the pan is heat. So the pan is hot now, let's add one by one. Just the red chilies, I will add it after some time. Just keep doing this until it turns like light brown in color, and before we turn off the heat we can add the red chilies. Now I'm adding red chili. Just in few seconds we can turn off the heat. Now let it cool down and then I'm going to grind it in a mixer jar. So I have grinded it to a fine powder. Let's add it to the chicken. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt. And let's mix it well. And now let it marinate for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. So I've got a frying pan and I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Just wait until the oil is hot. And now I'm adding 1 green chili, little curry leaves and a few cashew nuts. Just fry them a little bit. And then I've got 1 onion cut into small pieces and let's add it. And fry these onions until they turn dark brown in color. So the onions are fried well. Now we can add the chicken pieces. And then I'm adding very little water and mix it properly. And now I'm going to close it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Occasionally open the lid and keep checking the water is not getting completely dry. So it's been 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to just mix it well. So I still see some more water, so we can keep it closed for 5 more minutes. By that time our chicken should be cooked well. So it's been 5 minutes. Okay. Looks like the chicken is cooked. Yep. Okay, now we can keep it open. And let's cook it like this for 10 minutes on a very mild flame. Just keep mixing it. So let it cook like this for 10 more minutes. it's completely dry now, and the chicken is also cooked well. So our chicken chukka is almost ready. And before we turn off the heat, I'm adding little cilantro, coriander leaves, and then we can turn off the heat now. Our chicken chukka is ready. Please give a try, and thanks for watching.